Hey everyone, this is Fatma. The experiment for today involves 6 items that you probably already have at home. This is science experiment. You're gonna see something really cool. To start this experiment, you are going to need a clear bottle or a cup. I'm using this container. I already fill it with water. Okay, now you are gonna need oil and a cup, of course, and food coloring. I'm gonna use blue, green, red, yellow, and brown. And you need a spoon. Basically, the way it works is you combine water and oil in one container and you add food coloring. Now, we all know water and oil don't mix together. When you put food coloring from heating the water just for a few seconds, so it doesn't just all mix together. After a few seconds, it slowly starts to go into the water, and that's where you see that little popping of color. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna record you guys right here. Let's get started. Okay, I already filled my container about as much as you need water, like this. And then I already fill other cup with oil. Then I'm going to take a couple of drops of food coloring and add it to the oil. Okay, you can use any color you would like, but be careful. Food coloring, just drip them in, not too many. 2 or 3 drops are enough. You can do it one by one. Okay, I already put blue and I will put right now green. 2 or 3 drops are enough. And next, red. Okay. And you can see here tiny food coloring balls. And the last food coloring is brown. Now I'm gonna stir that up and add it to the water. Now let's see what will happen. As you see here, inside the oil, tiny balls. Okay, I already stir it, everyone. Now you are gonna see something really cool. Are you ready? Let's watch. As you see here, some food coloring, it started to drop into the water. It looks amazing. It's like a rainbow, right? It is beautiful, isn't it? It's awesome, everyone, like a rainbow. recipe you can try at home with your parents. Thanks for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.